Hi there, Isaac Fried, talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment by Swami Pranayomama. There it is. That's me, name I made up for myself. Lots of brilliant ideas like filming this just after sunrise, blinding myself. All the sacrifices I make for you. But I want you to be happy and enlightened or peaceful or actually I also want you to buy the book and laugh a bunch and learn what I've learned so you can give less of a fuck. Today, chapter 30, we're talking about. There it is. Can you see it in the bright sun? Well, I'll tell you, it's called Loving Your Best Friend. One of the reasons we can give way too many fucks is because we don't love ourselves. And it's common. We get a lot of messages in today's consumer economy that we're not good enough until we consume more. Sometimes our parents don't love us, or a lot of people get molested as children or beat up on the playground or all kinds of terrible things that can cause us to feel like we're not lovable. And if you want to learn to not give a fuck, start meditating. Tune into who you are and begin to love yourself. I've been working on it a lot better than I used to be. Probably a little room for growth still. And this can be an incredibly freeing way to stop giving a fuck by just allowing yourself to be who you are and knowing that that's okay. So here in chapter 30, there are a lot of, maybe I need to hire a videographer at some point. But chapter 30, loving your best friend, you are your best friend. So learn to love yourself. Read my book. We talk about how. And here's a beautiful picture of a lake behind me because it's pretty. I came out here to film with that lake in the background, but the sun's not cooperating. So there you go. Pick up a copy of the book. Have a great life. Thanks for